Our planet began as a hot, swirling cloud of dust and gas, a nebula that would eventually coalesce into the Earth we know today. This was over 4 billion years ago, a time span so vast it's almost impossible to comprehend. Imagine a time when Earth was a fiery ball of molten rock, constantly bombarded by meteorites and volcanic eruptions. It was a hostile and unforgiving environment, with temperatures soaring and the surface in a state of constant turmoil. Slowly, over millions of years, Earth began to cool, allowing the molten rock to solidify. The fiery surface solidified into rock, creating the first solid crust of our planet. Water vapor condensed and fell as rain, forming the first oceans, which would play a crucial role in the development of life. These early oceans were the cradle of life, providing the necessary conditions for the first simple organisms to emerge. But how did life emerge from this chaotic and seemingly lifeless environment? What were the key ingredients that sparked the beginning of life? The answer lies in the unique conditions of early Earth and the amazing power of chemistry, where simple molecules combine to form complex structures. We'll explore that in the next section, delving into the fascinating origins of life on our planet. Early Earth's atmosphere was very different from today. There was little oxygen. Instead, it was a mix of gases like methane, ammonia, and carbon dioxide. Lightning storms raged across the planet. Volcanoes erupted, spewing lava and gases into the atmosphere. Scientists believe that these conditions, along with energy from the sun, created a primordial soup. This soup in the early oceans was a rich mixture of organic molecules. These molecules are the building blocks of life. Amazingly, these simple ingredients came together in just the right way to create something extraordinary life. The next step was the most mysterious. How did those simple molecules become living things? We don't have all the answers, but we have some good ideas. Scientists believe that in the primordial soup, simple organic molecules began to interact. They formed more complex molecules like proteins and nucleic acids. These are essential for life. Over a very long time, these molecules assembled into the first simple life forms. These early organisms were single-celled microbes. Similar to bacteria, they were incredibly simple, but they had something truly remarkable: the ability to reproduce and pass on their genetic information. Life had begun. Section 4. Life finds a way from simple to complex. The appearance of those first single-celled organisms was a giant leap. These tiny life forms were the pioneers of life on Earth, setting the stage for everything that would follow. But life was about to get much more interesting. The simplicity of these organisms belied the complexity that was to come. Over billions of years, these simple organisms slowly evolved. Through countless generations, they adapted and changed. They adapted to their environment, finding ways to survive and thrive in diverse conditions. This process of evolution led to increasingly complex life forms. From simple beginnings, life branched out into myriad forms. Early microbes developed the ability to perform photosynthesis. This was a revolutionary development. This process uses sunlight to create energy, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. It transformed the planet's atmosphere. This oxygen was crucial for the development of more complex life, like plants and animals. It enabled the rise of diverse ecosystems. Over time, life diversified into a stunning array of species. Each new form of life added to the complexity of the biosphere. From tiny insects to giant dinosaurs, life filled every corner of the planet. The story of life is one of endless adaptation and innovation. Section 5. Our place in the cosmos. Why it matters. Understanding how life arose on Earth is like solving a great mystery. It's a puzzle that scientists have been piecing together for centuries, using clues from fossils, rocks, and the very stars above us. It helps us understand our own place in the universe. By studying the cosmos, we gain insights into the fundamental questions of existence and our role within this vast expanse. We see that life is incredibly resilient. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life finds a way to thrive, adapting to even the harshest conditions. It arose from simple beginnings and evolved over billions of years into the diversity we see today. This incredible journey of evolution showcases the adaptability and tenacity of life. Studying Earth's early history also gives us clues about the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. By understanding the conditions that allowed life to flourish here, we can better search for life on other planets. If life could arise here, under these conditions, perhaps it could happen on other planets too. This possibility drives much of our exploration and fuels our imagination. Our journey to understand life's origins is a testament to human curiosity. It's a quest that spans generations, driven by the desire to know more about where we come from and what lies beyond. It is a journey that continues to inspire awe and wonder about the natural world. As we look to the stars and delve into the depths of our planet, we're reminded of the beauty and complexity of life. Like, share and subscribe to join us on this incredible journey of discovery.